Yes guys, I'm back with another one, and today what I'm going to be talking about is market structure, how you can use market structure to your advantage. I'm going to show you what most people think market structure looks like, what it really looks like, using volume with market structure, using certain levels of interest within the market structure, dropping down to lower time frames to see market structure, and then taking trades, safer trades that are better for yourself. So yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you what most people think market structure looks like. So market structure in an uptrend, and in effect that's correct, that is correct, but market structure in reality does not look like this. In reality, market structure looks like this. That's what market structure looks like in reality. So it don't look like this, but that I'm trying to make it as basic as possible for you to show you how easy market structure can be used. So we're in an uptrend. You can use your trend lines if you want, not a problem. Use your trend lines. That's your trend line. Well, that's not it, but that's it. That's your trend line, yes? From this bottom to this area here. That's your trend line. Okay. So what we're going to do is now, we're seeing we are in an uptrend. So we've got the bottom of market structure there, market structure there, market structure there, market structure there. So if I were to ask you a question now, looking at market structure, where would you think that this next candles or candle would go to? Because markets just don't go up. They go up, they consolidate, drop, up, consolidate, drop, up, consolidate, drop, up. So if you were saying this zone here, you are correct. It should come down and hold market structure. Okay? That's what it should do in an uptrend. If we see this in an uptrend, we have now lost market structure, which is an uptrend. Okay? So what would be the highest probability setup from here? Would be a short, in effect. So your short position would be here at the test of market structure, above previous high of the structure, and you're going to be targeting maybe a 1 or 2, this previous structure here. So let's remove that. So we'll get that, and we do this. We might even fake back out up above structure, and then come back down. So then what we're doing, we are creating internal structure. Say that's your 4 hour, this is your 15 minute. You're now creating internal structure, which is here, here. That's your internal structure now. So to take your short there, that's a safe short. You've lost structure, you're up, you're testing it, you're losing structure. You're up, you're testing it, and in effect, you should lose structure again. Okay? That's market structure. That's how easy it can be. So let me remove all these drawings. Right. Many people on YouTube are going to be teaching you this, because most people are just going to say, well, it's gone up, so it's got to come down. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. You've got to look at market structure. So 4 hour BTC. Do you know what? I'm going to move them. And then we're going to start again with this on market structure. Okay, so 4 hour BTC right now. Okay, we've got a high level resistance zone up above us, which ties in with this resistance zone here. We've also got another zone on BTC, which is here. Another high level resistance zone on BTC. Resistance, support, whatever you want to call it. Could be anything. At the minute, where are we? We're at a level of interest where you can't take a trade. In my personal opinion. To add confluence in this trade, there's your trend line. Where's your uptrend line? I'll go from there. There's your uptrend line. We've lost that trend line. We lost structure here. So we came... I'll even put some more structure in for you. You can use boxes if you want, because boxes might give you a little bit of extra, you know, so you can actually see what's going on. So in between these zones, on the higher time frame, personally me, it's a no trade zone. So these are the structures that we can see at the minute. We've also got another bit of structure right here, which was, oh look, a previous resistance. That zone there. So most people think it's going to just touch it and drop. And yeah, sometimes it will. It'll touch it and drop. Most times it'll fake out and then drop. This is where people get caught out, not waiting for the candle to close. Sometimes you're going to lose, like here. But this is where volume comes into play. So if you look at that candle there, that bearish big boy, and you look at the next candle to it, if we look at the volume, that bearish volume is higher than the bullish volume, correct? So to me there, that's a fake out. And most people won't see that. They will go long. I can almost guarantee you that they'll go long. The stop will be there and they'll be aiming there. And within one candle, they've already been stopped out. And then, look what's happened here. It's come down, it's wicked them out, it's come back up, broke structure with high volume. It broke, it came down, it tested with low volume. Consolidated, high volume, pump, hit the next area of interest. High level structure, resistance, support, whatever. It came down, but look at the volume. Low bear volume, low bear volume, high bullish volume, low bear volume, low bull, high bear, low bull, but broke structure, high bull, high bull, high bull. Bam, bam, bam. And it went up. So you got stopped here because you were impatient. When all you had to do is wait. So the 9th of December to the 13th of December, which is 4 days, to take that long. And it's pretty easy. So let's go to where we are now. All this is FUD. All this crap here is FUD. This is Trump. We will call that Trump FUD. Okay? So I said to everyone in the group, here we have an upsloping trend line. He also on the daily, I think we had a downsloping trend line. And I said, I will not be shorting BTC until we lose that trend. We never lost. I never touched it. I watched. And I'm glad I watched because I didn't lose any money. I didn't gain any money. But I didn't lose any money. And that's what this game's about. Not losing money and, you know, creating 2, 3, 4% per day. So now, what we're looking at the minute is here. So we lost that upsloping trend here on Sunday at 8 o'clock. And we dropped 5%. Sorry, I needed a drink. So we dropped 5%. And if you look here, after that candle there, structure, when we broke structure there on the 27th of Jan, Monday, let's now try and find the 27th of Jan, Monday. That's Sunday. Monday, 27th of Jan. This was the early hours at morning, so you couldn't really take that trade. But at 3 o'clock on Monday, you had another opportunity to take that trade. High bullish volume, low bear, high bullish, but it's in structure on the 15 minute, and it couldn't. It tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times to break that structure, and it couldn't break the structure, even with the high volume. And then look, bam, it dropped. So you take your short when it's failing to break, your stops there, your TP's there. At the next level of structure. Structure's easy once you see it. So now we're in the same sort of scenario, but we've got FOMC meetings coming up, so I'm probably not going to trade. But if you look here, when it's above this structure and it's just consolidating, high bear volume, cracked, and then came down. It has slowly grinded back up, but if you look at this structure here, around this zone, we're failing to break that on the 15 minute. Sorry, I lost my voice the other day. So where we are at the minute, me personally, we're in a no trade zone with the meeting coming up as well. But look at the volume. The volume is declining. That's declining volume at the minute. So I'd just be careful with what we're trading. Also, I've got another one for us to look at. ACH. What you want to do, in my personal opinion, find a coin that's got really, really good structure. So, this coin to me, I think it's ACH. Yeah, it's ACH. This coin to me has got good structure at the minute. That's personally what I think. It's got really good structure. I don't know if I'm on the right one here. 1 second. .p. I am, yeah. Yes, I am. So this has got really good structure. We're in an uptrend. So, what you want to be doing when it comes back to structure around here is your long. And you got a 36% move off of just looking at structure. You don't need what else. Look here. 4 hour, we had structure there where it rejected. What did that coin do? It came down, it tested prior resistance. and used it as a support band and pumped up. So yesterday I called a short in this. Now I need to try and find it. So we're on a 15-minute now. Okay? So here is where I called a short on it. Over it there. I can't. It must be. Yeah, we're around here. The reason I called that short is because this here is structure. That is structure. Okay? It came down, broke, test, and dropped. That, I think it were over 100% that trade. Well, yeah, if you've got times 10, 130%, easy. So then, this here now, around here is structure. And I'm not saying it's going to happen every single time, because it isn't. But these are high-level confluence trades. So like here, that there was structure. It lost it and dropped 14%. It came back up, this structure, and reclaimed. It then tested the top of that structure there and pumped from that structure, previous resistance turning into a support zone. So that was the short I called. I closed my short here because I knew that there was previous structure. I also knew we had underlying liquidity here. So I think I closed it around there because we had that liquidity sat there. Okay? At the minute, we're doing something very similar. This is structure. That there was structure. We've lost it. We've come up, we took liquidity. We've lost structure. Me, I'm going to be waiting because now what we've got, we have structure here now in this coin. This block is a chop block where everyone's going to get chopped up. Chop, 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 chop. That's what you're going to get in there, chopped up. This short wasn't valid for me yet. It was a good short because we took liquidity there. But it wasn't valid for me yet. So what I'm going to wait for, I want to see us lose structure. Just like here. We lost structure, we test structure, we drop. So, here at the minute, we might even come back up to test that structure. I'm not saying we aren't gonna, but we might. If we lose structure and test, fake, wick, then that could be another great trade there. So keep an eye on that. I will wait for this. At the minute, we've probably got the 20 that we're doing this, and that's probably doing that. Probably got the 200 still below it, around here somewhere. So if we get that, we also get our crosses. There's your short in this zone. It's going to be your short right here. You're going to put it above that structure. And you're going to be aiming for this structure, which is an absolute banger trade, in my opinion. So I'd keep an eye on that. But I did tell them all in the group, if you're going to short, it's probably going to come down to test this structure here at this zone. It did exactly what I knew it were going to do. Because once you've done it for that long, you know what's happening. You can see what's happening before it's even happened. It's like I've got a time machine or something. So yeah, that's just a quick one on market structure and how you can use market structure to help you along with your trades. If you want to see more of this, like I know a lot of people want to see a lot more about liquidity, I can do more of this if you want to see more of it. But get some comments. You know, get the comments going in the comment section for me. Get some likes up, subscribe. So we've also got CWP links, Buy Me a Coffee links, James's Baccarat indicator links, Slim's bot links. We've got all them in the description below as well. And that's going to be it from me today, guys. And I will catch you in the next one. Happy trading.